So basically, is GBP card, and I went to daily time frame. Like me, when I analyze, I usually go to the higher time frame first. So use higher time frame on. You know, I was supposed to this like yesterday, but I missed it. So basically, is CRT low, and this is CRT high. I don't know how many people know CRT, but um so that's the high, meaning that um meaning that you want to market. So the rule for CRT is that when the candle close inside first, like if you see this candle, it closed inside this first candle. You understand? So as it closes that first candle, it means the buy will have to continue like this to clear this. You understand? So the buy gas clear this place. So now what we go do now, say we will go smaller time frame. That's like if you go like maybe 1 hour or 4 hours to look for entry to clear this, eye here. You understand? Look to entry for clear this eye. Basically I've entered the trade. You understand? But I forgot to do the journaling and stuff like that. So we go 4 hours now. You see for 4 hours now. I'm not rushing. This is for the 4 hours time frame now. This is my point of interest. This is one here. That's my point of interest. You understand? So now I'll be expecting market to test back into this place. Like this. I'll expect market to test back into this place. You understand? So if you go down, what's in day? So if you go down, you say market never test them. You just see it again. See market never test them. So, but if you look at it from here, if you look at this, entry we were using before, because you see, if you are to use the FVG on 1 hour time frame, like this, it has tapped already. This candle here, tap on. You understand? But I will let you guys know if I see another entry. You understand? I'll let you guys know if I see another entry, because this zone here is tempting. But all in shorts, I'm still expecting market to come here like this or like this. You understand? So that's for GBP card. That's for GBP card, yeah. So now, so that's how GBP card will go. How GBP card will go. So let's see. Because at that time frame, just like I use it for direction. So but I'm 100%, not 100%, but market will clear this. Yes, market will clear this. So that's just, I don't know if you guys also use CRT though, but if you understand it a little bit, it will help you for your directional bias. You understand? So this is what I'm seeing on GBP card for now. So I'll let you guys know how the market played out.